I'm Tamara Cinnamon, and this is your Sutton Scoop. I'm here today with Chris Heidt from Tekamar Mortgages. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Perfect. So we might as well jump into it. What's going on with this 2.99? Everybody's talking about it. It's all over. Tell us about it.
It's a fantastic deal. Believe it or not, we only have one lender who still has it available.
Okay.
And
wow.
It can be canceled at any time.
Okay.
But it's just a fantastic rate. It's available. It's a 4-year mortgage term.
I was going to say, so it's a locked-in rate.
Yes, locked in. And
wow.
you can switch your mortgage for free to them as well.
Yes.
So no appraisals, no legal fees as long as you qualify.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're just looking at the payout on your mortgage.
Yeah.
And then so they'll do an appraisal as long as you.
Yeah.
And go ahead from there. Wow.
Yeah.
It's all over. All I hear everywhere I go, you can walk down the street and hear 2.99, 2.99. Yeah. So what would a longer rate be? I know a lot of people are worried that in 4 years, what if it's, jumps way up because they're looking to buy higher?
Yeah.
What is a 7 to 10 year rate right now?
Actually, 7 and 10 years. I think a 7 is 3.89.
Yeah.
Actually, I think we might even have a 10 at 3.89 or 3.99. Still
Isn't that
fantastic.
Amazing. Like I never talk about the long-term rates, but I think that there is that case with, say, a young couple starting out.
Yeah.
That if for peace of mind,
yeah.
There is some options there.
Yeah,
right?
90% of all people still take a 5-year mortgage term. That's what they're comfortable with.
Okay.
And even the best 5-year right now is 3.19. It's still a fantastic rate.
So I was just going to say, there's always been that. Do you go variable? Do you go fixed?
Yeah.
Back and forth. What are you suggesting right now?
Right now, everyone should go fixed.
Yeah.
It's the deals that used to be available on variables are no longer there. I think the best variable is prime minus 0.1 or prime minus 0.2, so 2.8, 2.9%.
Wow.
But that will fluctuate. You're better off to lock in for a longer
So somebody
term.
who is variable, do they call you if you were their mortgage broker? Do they call their finance company they're with? How does that work?
Always call me.
Always
call me.
Always call you. Okay.
I can deal with pretty much every financial institution out there.
Okay.
And they all deal with me.
Okay, so what is the biggest misconception in your business?
The biggest misconception, I just was asked it the other day, is what are your fees? And a mortgage broker is free.
Yeah, of course.
The banks pay me a commission for sending them a customer.
Yep.
So, and I still can offer you the very best rates that they have as well.
Right. Okay, that's interesting because I didn't realize that, you never know what the misconceptions are,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
I think I do hear a lot of times people say, well, a mortgage broker is actually like a B lender.
Yeah.
And that they're, they're not perfect credit if they're not going to the bank,
Yeah.
right, or something.
And that's a good part. We can offer that, but we still deal with all of the A lenders, all the major banks, the credit unions. So, even if you go to your own bank, I can get you typically a better rate if you come to me first.
Perfect. So I know Tekamar is a local company, a family-owned company at one point, and it's Armstrong and Salmon Arm.
Yeah,
correct?
It was started by Richard Smith, or his father, in 1976, I believe.
Okay.
I joined in 2005.
Okay.
And I think we've got 4 brokers now in Salmon Arm, and I'm in Armstrong, Vernon area as well.
Okay, excellent. And so what is your background?
Oh my God. I have been a banker for 16 years.
Wow.
I was a loans manager at the local credit union in Armstrong, started at the Royal Bank, and been a broker for 7 years now.
So finance is in your blood.
23 years of mortgages, I'm pretty good at it.
Excellent. So what do you recommend to somebody who's getting out there, first time they don't have, they don't have a realtor, they don't have a mortgage broker. What do you suggest that they should be looking for?
The first step, get pre-approved. Give me a phone call, we get you pre-approved so you know exactly what you qualify for, what you can buy.
Okay.
Then get yourself hooked up with a realtor, such as Tamara, and then start shopping.
Sure. Okay. So what should they be looking for in a mortgage broker? I think
experience is the big thing.
Okay.
Unfortunately, there's lots of mortgage brokers who haven't been bankers, and I think that experience in the past is invaluable because the banker is who I'm selling your mortgage to or trying to get the mortgage approved with. So I think that banking experience is invaluable.
Perfect. Okay. And I think the big key here is 2.99 is here. We don't know when they're going to cut it, and there's only one lender still doing it.
Yeah.
Correct?
I got one email yesterday, and it said canceled at any time. So.
Okay. Interesting. Perfect. Well, anything else you want to add?
No, but thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, thank you for coming. I appreciate it, Chris. And what if someone was looking for you? Website, Facebook, where
everywhere.
are you at?
Facebook for sure. You'll see this there. ChrisHeight.net for the website.
Okay.
And all my contact information's there.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
All right. Thanks.